The birds nodded in agreement, their eyes burning with quiet fury. Then the parrot said, his voice deep and steady, "We must teach him a lesson, one he will never forget." And so they came to a unanimous decision. Their plan was set, and destiny waited just beyond the clouds. At last, it was time to return to the ground. The feast was over. The birds gathered at the gate of the sky, their eyes cold, their hearts heavy with anger. Then they marched up to the tortoise. He rubbed his eyes and smiled, still proud and full from the meal. But no one smiled back. "Tortoise, the time has come. Give back what you borrowed. Each feather must return to its rightful owner," the parrot said. The tortoise looked around, confused at first, then frightened. His pride began to crumble like dry earth. But the birds did not wait. One by one they came, the parrot, the dove, the eagle, each taking back their feather. The air was filled with the flutter and snaps of wings. Soon the tortoise stood bare and trembling, his shell dull, his body heavy and helpless. He looked down. The earth seemed so far, so small, and tears welled in his eyes. One by one, they plucked out their gifts and flew away, leaving him alone on a drifting cloud.